Welcome to the fascinating world of the nervous system, where tiny ion channels act like gatekeepers, controlling the flow of charged particles across membranes and setting the stage for everything from a simple heartbeat to complex thoughts. These voltage-gated and ligand-gated channels, think sodium, potassium, calcium, and chloride, are the maestros of neuronal excitability, shaping our membrane potentials and firing patterns. Imagine your neurons as bustling cities with the membrane potential as their electrical heartbeat. When this potential hits a certain threshold, it sparks an action potential, sending signals down the axon to communicate across synapses. This synaptic transmission relies heavily on calcium-triggered neurotransmitter release, which is crucial for learning, memory, and mood regulation. Long-term potentiation and depression are like the brain's way of rewiring itself, strengthening or weakening connections through plasticity, which underpins learning and memory. Calcium ions are particularly vital. Their intracellular levels influence everything from gene transcription to enzyme activation. Calcium-dependent enzymes like calmodulin-dependent protein kinase 2 and protein kinase C orchestrate changes in neurons, supporting processes like neuron outgrowth and synaptic strength. But keep an eye on calcium homeostasis. Dysregulation can lead to issues like neurotoxicity, contributing to conditions like epilepsy, migraine, or even chronic pain, often involving mitochondrial dysfunction and oxidative stress. The cerebellum, with its cortex divided into frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital lobes, is a command center for sensation, movement, and higher cognition. Deep within structures like the thalamus and limbic system, including the hippocampus and amygdala, manage memory, emotions, and sensory relay. The brainstem and cerebellum coordinate vital functions and motor control, while the basal ganglia and cortical neurons refine our movements and decision making. On the cellular level, neurons come in various shapes: unipolar, bipolar, multipolar, and have specialized parts. The cell body, dendrites, axons, and synaptic terminals. Their membranes are made up of lipid bilayers studded with protein structures like neurofilaments, microtubules, and ion channels, all working together to send and receive signals. Neurotransmitters like glutamate, GABA, dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine bind to specific receptors, G-protein coupled or ion channels, influencing everything from mood to muscle construction. All these components, from ion channels and neurotransmitters to brain structures and molecular pathways, intertwine to create the symphony of our nervous system, allowing us to perceive, think, feel, and move. This delicate balance and understanding these intricate processes helps pave the way for treatments of neurological disorders and breakthroughs in artificial neural networks, which mimic our brain's remarkable capabilities. So next time you think a thought, feel an emotion, or move a muscle, remember the tiny ionic gateways, complex circuits, and molecular messengers working tirelessly behind the scenes on the incredible dance of physiology and pathophysiology.